Have you ever had a coworker who does their job, but they do it so slowly that it messes up the whole flow of the team? That is exactly what is happening under your hood with the P0113 trouble code. This code stands for Oxygen Sensor Circuit Slow Response on Bank 1, Sensor 1. This is your upstream sensor, the one right before the catalytic converter on the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. Its job is to switch rapidly between reading rich and lean mixtures so the computer can adjust the fuel injection instantly. When this code sets, it means the sensor is technically working, but it has become lazy. It is not reacting fast enough to the engine's needs. You might not even feel a difference in how the car drives, but your fuel economy is likely taking a hit because the engine is not running at peak efficiency. While your instinct might be to just unscrew the old sensor and slap in a new one, hold on a second. We need to rule out a few other things to save you money. An exhaust leak near the sensor can fool it, introducing fresh air that makes the sensor readings erratic or slow. Listen for any ticking sounds when the engine is cold. Also, inspect the wiring for any frays or melts. If the wiring and exhaust are tight, then yes, the sensor is likely contaminated or just old and tired. Oxygen sensors live a hard life in extreme heat and get covered in carbon over time. If you do replace it, make sure you reset the code and drive it for a while to let the computer relearn the new, faster data stream. It is a simple fix, but diagnosing it correctly ensures you are not fixing the wrong problem.